Welcome to Black Hat 2025. We're here at the EC Council booth showcasing our EC Council Pro subscriptions. Inside of these real-world challenges, we've got a couple of modes that you can launch into. These are actually originally hosted as Capture the Flag competitions for different customers we've had around the world. What we've done is hired a group of people to come in and actually write the TTPs. So if you're new and you've never done a CTF, you can launch these in guided mode. It's a great way to sharpen your skills, but we've got over 500 of these CTF challenges ready for you. In addition to those hands-on lab type environments, we've got about 12 different primary categories of learning with over 800 courses. They're 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, all taught by industry experts. We've got the product to match that stretch. So whenever you need to adopt those tools, this is the training to make sure you do it right.